The universe is full of mysteries, but few are as intriguing as dark matter and dark energy. These invisible substances make up the vast majority of the universe, yet we know very little about them. Dark matter is thought to be the invisible substance that holds galaxies together, providing the gravitational glue that keeps stars from flying off into space. Despite its importance, we have never directly detected dark matter, and its composition remains a mystery. Dark energy, on the other hand, is an even more mysterious substance. It is believed to be the force driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. Astronomers are using observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation and the large-scale structure of the universe to try and learn more about dark energy. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy remain unsolved. But the search for answers is far from over, and scientists around the world continue to push the limits of our knowledge in an effort to unlock the secrets of the universe.